Good morning. We had a comment on our last short of how we set the rainfly. So we're gonna make another short to show you how we do it on this Vevor rooftop tent. Okay, first step, our ladder. Ladder up. Second step. Pretty easy. Okay, to set the rainfly up, there's two bars, which are two bars inside this bag. Take these bars, you put the one in this little hole right here, and the other end goes in this garment right here. So these bars, have a hook on the end and a point in the one end. That point goes in a little hole right here, slips inside there, and this rainfly comes out and you bend this. That. Same thing on the other side. You bend the bar.